Okay. Wait,
Yeah.
let me put some light on you.
Don't get so close. I feel like
Well,
I'm being interrogated.
what's the it's your intro.
Okay.
Go.
I forgot what I was gonna say. Hello everyone, this is Veronica, House of Sid. Today is day 7 of Vlogtober. So hope you're enjoying the vlogs, hope you're watching, hope you're subscribed, hope you're giving it a thumbs up, and keep watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
So where are you now, Veronica?
About to have dinner
Where?
at one of our faves.
Okay. Well, we
little sushi
we
spot.
forewent the footage at Target for obvious
Yeah,
reasons.
Target's Target.
Yeah. So
Been there, done that.
okay.
Now this is the biz.
It's the business.
The business.
Is it the business or the business?
Whichever
Okay.
you choose.
Okay. Oh, it's nice and empty.
Oh, I know it's not all
All open.
Can you taste
It's that corner right there. That corner right there. They didn't clean it yet?
Just water for now. What do you want?
I'll have a Coke. This is your jam.
Alright. And a shrimp tempura country. And then we told the other girl about the mushrooms.
Okay, yeah, I'm sure those are okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'll take the menu then. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. So what did you order, Veronica?
A lot.
A lot?
Stuffed mushrooms, firecracker roll, shrimp tempura roll, and just a simple salad.
Okay.
It's a little variety. Oh, these are so good.
So what do you have there, Veronica?
My favorite of all time, stuffed mushrooms. Mushroom stuffed with crab and cream cheese, battered and deep fried.
Veronica. No, you need to. Thank you.
Any sriracha or other sauces?
Yes, please.
You need to turn it so I can see
I know.
So what's all this? What's all this, Veronica?
We're a little hungry today.
Okay.
That's the sushi happy dance.
So is this one of your favorite sushi places, Veronica? What's it called?
Orange sushi roll. Sushi and roll.
What city is it in?
Anaheim. Oh, here it is. Orange and sushi. My dyslexia kicked in.
You're dyslexic? Sometimes? Okay. Say goodbye, Veronica. Tell everybody to watch your channel.
Watch the channel. Subscribe or else.
Okay. All the plates are empty, Veronica. Why?
It wasn't me.
It wasn't you?
Kinda was me.
True.